Hello friends, welcome back. Here your English coach Sneh Mehta is again with you all with our new chapter lesson 9 Spices That Heal Us. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to know the names and importance of herbs and spices, comprehend the innumerable health benefits spices offer, reflect on the role of spices in keeping us healthy, analyze nature's gift in keeping us disease-free, and learn to consult elders and use spices in controlled environment. Now I'm going to summarize this chapter in Hindi for you, and you can see the summary in English on the screen. Spices that heal us. मसाले जो हमें स्वस्थ करते हैं. एक पत्र है जो दादी ने अपने पोते विक्रम और पोती वैभवी को स्नेहपूर्वक लिखा है. यह एक सामान्य दादी द्वारा लिखा गया प्यार भरा पत्र नहीं है, बल्कि शुरुआती कुछ पंक्तियों के बाद यह एक नया मोड़ लेता है. शुरुआत में दादी अपने पोते पोती से हालचाल पूछती है और उनके स्वास्थ्य के बारे में चिंता जताती है. इसके बाद यह उन्हें रोज़मर्रा के मसालों के स्वास्थ्य लाभों से परिचित कराती है. दादी बताती है कि उनकी अपनी दादी ने उन्हें रसोई में आसानी से उपलब्ध जड़ी बूटियों और मसालों का उपयोग विभिन्न रोगों के उपचार के लिए लिखाया था. वह बताती हैं कि हल्दी, मेथी और जीरा क्रमशः ऊर्जा और पाचन को बेहतर बनाते हैं, शुगर मधुमेह को नियंत्रित करते हैं और नींद तथा पाचन में मदद करते हैं. इसके अलावा दादी यह भी बताती है कि हींग, दालचीनी, लौंग, अदरक, काली मिर्च, सौंफ, अजवाइन और इलायची जैसे मसाले खांसी, जुकाम, दर्द और पाचन समस्याओं से राहत दिलाने में मददगार होते हैं. इस प्रकार यह एक पत्र पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी को प्राकृतिक औषधियों और मसालों के औषधीय गुणों की जानकारी देने का उद्देश्य रखता है. अंत में दादी यह सलाह देती है कि इन घरेलू नुस्खों का उपयोग हमेशा बड़ों की देखरेख में ही करना चाहिए. So now children, we are going to learn the word meanings. The first word turmeric, which means haldi, fenugreek, that is methi, cumin, jeera, asafoetida, that is hing, cinnamon, dalchini, clove, long, ginger, adrak, black pepper, kali mirch, fennel seeds, saunf, carom seeds, ajwain, cardamom, ilaichi. So children, you must have heard these words in Hindi, but maybe few of the names in English might be new for you. The first question related to this: who wrote the letter and to whom? Option A, Vikram to Dadi. Option B, Vaibhavi to Dadi. Option C, Dadi to Vaibhavi and Vikram. And option D, Vaibhavi to Vikram. So option C is the correct answer, that is Dadi to Vaibhavi and Vikram. Second question, what is meant by natural cures here? Option A, drinking honey lemon. B, using homemade remedies from spices. C, taking modern medicines. Option D, drinking only warm water. So option B is the correct answer, using homemade remedies from spices. Next question, what does the writer of the letter expect from the readers? Option A, to follow the advice written in the letter. Option B, to appreciate the style of writing. Option C, to remember the writer of and on. Option D, to remember the cures and share them. So option D is the correct answer, to remember the cures and share them. When I was a blank, I learnt them from my, again a blank. Option A, child, grandparents. Option B, teenager, grandparents. Option C, child, grandmother. Now option D, adult, grandfather. So option C is the correct answer, child in the first blank and grandmother we will use in the second blank. Now the fifth question, what did the writer use to find? She used to find home remedies for most of the weather related common illnesses. Next question, if you are asked to draft a reply to the letter, what would you write in place of namaste? Answer, namaste or warm regards. Who is speaking and to whom in these lines? Answer, Dadi is speaking to Vikram and Vaibhavi. Where has been this extract taken from? Answer, this extract has been taken from a letter which Dadi writes to her grandchildren. Now we come to the very short answer questions which we are going to answer in 10 to 15 words. First question, name the kitchen spices that help us when we have a toothache. Answer, 2 spices, namely long, that is called clove, and dalchini, that is cinnamon. Relieve us of toothaches temporarily till the time we are able to consult a dentist. Second question, how is adrak yani ginger beneficial for our health? Adrak or ginger, as it is called in English, is a sure shot cure for cough, cold and body pain. Now we come to the third question, do you know the health benefits of Kali Mirch? What are they? Answer, Kali Mirch is one spice with multiple uses. It helps in treating indigestion, cold and body pain. Now fourth question, why do we serve ajwain or saunf at the end of a meal? Answer, ajwain, that is carom seeds, or saunf, that is fennel seeds, are generally served at the end of a meal. This is because they are excellent digestion boosters. Fifth question, list 3 advantages of having elaichi yani cardamom from the lesson. Answer, first, elaichi helps to cure bad breath. It also assists in digestion issues. Additionally, it helps resolve respiratory troubles. Now we come to the short answer questions which we are going to answer in 25 to 30 words. First question, who wrote the letter and to whom? Dadi wrote the letter to Vikram and Vaibhavi, her grandchildren. She wanted to pass on the knowledge she had gained from her grandmother about the usefulness of kitchen spices in treating common illnesses. Second question, what did Dadi's grandmother taught her? Answer, she taught her about the various uses common kitchen spices may be put to instead of using them just for cooking. In other words, Dadi learned home remedies for common weather related illnesses from her grandmother. Third question, what is the use of haldi other than cooking? Answer, haldi has great health benefits apart from adding color to our curries. It is known for its anti-inflammatory, pain relieving and healing properties. It not only raises energy levels but also aids digestion. Question 4. How does jeera help people suffering from lack of sleep? Answer, jeera seeds or cumin when soaked in water overnight help relieve sleeplessness. Besides adding flavor to food, they also help in improving digestion. Fifth question, what according to Dadi are the health advantages of having methi? According to Dadi, the wonder spice methi helps in controlling blood sugar levels and body weight. In addition, daily intake of methi soaked water over the night helps improve metabolism. Sixth question, how can we use hing as medicine? Answer, hing or asafoetida helps to deal with most stomach related problems. Hing water can help reduce gas, stomach pain and indigestion in young and old alike. It is also used as a cure for cough and cold. Seventh question, what was Dadi's final advice to her grandchildren Vikram and Vaibhavi in the lesson? Answer, she advised them to rush to the kitchen and learn to identify the kitchen spices she had mentioned in her letter. She also advised them to take the help of elders when using spices to gain their medicinal value. Eighth question, why do you think Dadi wrote this letter to Vikram and Vaibhavi, her grandchildren? Answer: she wanted to share the knowledge of nature's gift of health improving spices that she had received from her grandmother. This is why she wrote a letter addressed to her grandchildren to pass on the legacy. Ninth question: do you think the chapter promoted traditional knowledge? How? Answer: I completely agree that the chapter promotes sharing traditional knowledge with the new generation by listing out the benefits of the spices and herbs that lead to natural treatment. Now question number 10th. Why do you think Dadi advised her grandchildren to consult elders before using the mentioned spices? Answer: in my opinion, Dadi knew that incorrectly used spice quantities for medicinal benefit can sometimes cause more harm than doing good. So, she wanted her grandchildren to take the help of elders for the right dosage. Now we come to the long answer questions which we are going to answer in about 100 words. First question: how far do you agree that traditional remedies like spices play an important role in our daily health? Support your answer using evidence from the lesson Spices That Heal Us. Answer: spices are nature's gift to us. They help in restoring our health in many different ways. Each spice is a powerhouse of health promoting benefits. Turmeric, fenugreek and ginger have great anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Asafoetida, jeera, fennel seeds and carom seeds possess digestion-promoting properties, and black pepper, ginger and asafoetida hold cough-reducing properties. The list of benefits we can derive from the common kitchen spices is endless. Our modern lifestyle is leading us to unhealthy mess. By incorporating a daily intake of natural herbs and spice through our cooking, we can counter this problem to a certain extent. Since these health remedies are natural, cost-effective and without any side effects, they will definitely check and improve our daily health. Second question: what are the spices and their various health benefits mentioned in the letter? Answer: spices have been used in traditional medicine and cooking in our country for centuries, offering both nutritional and healing benefits. Dadi's letter to Vikram and Vaibhavi mentions a variety of spices and their medicinal uses. Haldi is said to improve energy levels, aid digestion and reduce body pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Methi helps control blood sugar levels and manage weight when consumed after being soaked overnight. Jeera is hailed for improving digestion and relieving sleeplessness when soaked in water overnight. Hing helps with digestion, gas and coughing. Dalchini and Long provide relief from toothaches due to their pain relieving properties. Adrak helps in treating cough, cold and body pain. Kali mirch aids digestion and relieves body pain. Saunf and ajwain help with digestion and reduce inflammation after meals. Elaichi improves digestion, helps with respiratory issues and cures bad breath. Thus, every popular spice has a dominant role to play in promoting human health naturally. And for such more knowledge and for the next chapter, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.